Hey guys, welcome back to another episode in Kiwanna's Kitchen of where I'm sharing great holiday recipes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that share button, and also comment if you guys have anything you want to ask me or a recipe you would like to see. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, in my slow cooker here I have my washed smoked neck bones, and now I'm going to go in with my ham stock, and that's 12 cups of ham stock that I'm adding in here. And I love using ham stock because I love the flavor that it gives my lima beans. If you want to use chicken stock you can, but I like using ham stock. Okay, so now that we got that in, we're going to go ahead and let these cook. We'll get them covered first and let them cook about 4 hours, and they should be somewhat tender in between, you know, up until that time rather. So here they are here guys. You can see they are turning out beautiful. So I'm just going ahead and just giving them a mix to make sure, you know, everything is cooked evenly. So now I'm going to add in my washed lima beans. Okay, and guys, you definitely want to make sure those beans are washed because you guys know they come out of a field and they might have rocks in it, they may have dirt in it, and you don't want that to go in your soup. Okay, so definitely wash those beans. So now we're going to go ahead and get this covered and let it cook another 3 hours or so until, like I said, you see that your beans are done. And guys, how you can test those beans, you guys can see they turned out beautiful. But how you can test those beans to see if they are done, just get one, put one in a spoon, get another spoon, kind of smash it. And if it's smashed easily, you know that your beans are done. If it kind of hesitate, you want to just go ahead and let it cook a little longer. So of course you guys know I had to put you guys a plate together, and you can see there guys, they pretty much turned out beautiful. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it of me showing you how I make these lima beans in the slow cooker. They are also perfect for a Thanksgiving side, Christmas side. Guys, yeah, they are definitely perfect for the holidays. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you guys take care. Bye.